Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. So, in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZD USD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar for 26 March 2021. So, this analysis is for 26 March only. I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Okay, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's jump to the chart. Okay, let me take out the pencil and you can see that right now market is trading at 0.6952. Okay, and yes, market had a very good and strong support at 0.71 double. Sorry about the bad writing. Okay, 0.7100. But right now you can see that market is trading way below this support, so this support is no longer valid. Okay. And in a downtrend market like this, generally we think that it is very easy to make money. Yes, you can make money, or already you have made money, I guess, if you would have short the market here. Okay, and remember I told you to short the market, okay, below this line after the confirmation of volume. Okay, I always used to tell that yes, price should get the support of volume, then only you should short the market. And if you have short the market, then you are in a good profit right now. And if you are looking for a fresh entry in the market, then it's a very tough call. Okay, because see, right now market has come down a lot. Okay, right now market is trading here. Okay, though stochastic RSI has gone up, but still market is not in a position to go up. See, basically, I'm a trader who does not like to take much risk. Okay, this analysis is from my own perspective only. So, being a defensive kind of a trader, okay. So, generally, what I do is that in a market like this, I wait for the market to go up. Okay, and when it reverses, okay, then I short the market. But right now, we can see that market is not in a position of going up. So, to be very honest, okay, generally I avoid this kind of markets. Okay, let me show you few things. Okay, why? See, this is the weekly chart of New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Oh, it's the weekly chart. Okay, in the weekly chart, you can see that market has made a big fat red candle. Okay, this is the weekly chart. This is the monthly chart of New Zealand dollar, US dollar. You can see that there is no support available here in the monthly chart also. And this is the 4 hour chart that we usually follow. So right now I'm confused, okay, because I would like to observe New Zealand dollar, US dollar for 1 day at least, okay, because my risk to reward ratio does not match. Okay, this is something that is going against my discipline. That's why I would like to tell you that if you want to take risk, then you can short the market and do whatever you like. But if you if you're looking for defensive position and you cannot afford to lose trade, okay, if you do not have any spare money to lose, okay, then I'll tell you one thing, that avoid New Zealand or US dollar, because somehow if it bounces from here, okay, then we have nothing to say. And there are many currency pairs available. Okay, you can go ahead and trade on other pairs. Okay, when New Zealand dollar, US dollar will be going up a little bit, will go up a little, and from there when it will reverse, then we can short the market. Okay, but right now I would like to just observe NZD USD for at least 1 day. So this is the simple analysis of and New Zealand dollar, US dollar from my own point of view. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.